Good day, super excited. You're welcome to Financial Culture Series, where we talk about how you can multiply your money in the Forex market, in the cryptocurrency market, and also in the stocks market. And if this is your first time you're visiting this channel, make sure you click on the subscriber button and on the notification bell so you don't miss any opportunity that we have for you and in the subsequent videos that will be coming. Okay, so today's topic, we're talking about, can you make a living from Forex trading? Yes. Number one answer is yes. And the answer for this is yes. You can make a living, you can make a fortune from this. Now, you need to understand that when it comes to making money in this financial market, there is a pattern to follow. And to help you with this, I'm going to be sharing this pattern with you so that you can understand that you can make a living from this space. Okay. Some of the things that are outside there is that they have a lot of people have a feeling that playing in the Forex market is a get rich quick. They feel that they can get it in 1 month or get it in 2 weeks. But here is it. The simple truth is that it took you 4 years to finish your BSc. It took you 5 years to finish some courses. Some courses are even 7 years. So why is it very complex for people to accept that it will take them 3 months to 6 months, 1 year, 2 years before they can get Forex trading or cryptocurrency trading or stocks trading perfectly? You see, you cannot just, it's skills. And because it is skills, there is always a teaching stage. There's always the process phase where you have to understand what it takes. So I will let you know that the first thing you need to do if you want to make a living from this is to get doing something. Start doing something. Go get, find a way to work on your cash flow first. So let's say, for example, you want to start trading Forex, and the first thing you are, and all you have right now is maybe $200. And there's no other way to make money apart from the $200 you have. The next thing, the first thing to do is go and get a job. Go and get a skill that you can use to get some cash flow. Now, the truth is that when you get cash flow, you are able to learn conveniently. When you have cash flow, you are able to walk through the process. When you have cash flow, you would not trade, you would not overtrade. When you would not, you will obey the rules of engagement. You will obey the rules of risk management. But when you come to learn Forex and you are the one taking care of yourselves and you've got so much bills to pay and you don't have a consistent flow that can help you out, I can guarantee you that you are already wrong like 70%. Now, it takes about 20 or 30% for a set of people that are able to overcome this process. So if you want to help yourself to be consistent in the Forex market, in the cryptocurrency market, even in the stocks market, you won't be able to sort out your basic cash flow, where you are sleeping. If you are the one paying your rent, you won't be able to pay your rent ahead. If you are if you have an outstanding debt, you want to find a way to get some inflows that can pay those debts. But don't come into Forex and say you want to use Forex to pay debt when you've not even gotten the skill set. Now, let's now move to the next phase. Now, there's a cash flow. You have a basic salary of maybe $100 or $200 every month that you're able to put your body and soul together. Then you can now dedicate 1 hour to 2 hours daily to your learning process, so that you can now say to yourself, okay, I will watch this video, I will get my hands dirty for the next 1 month, for the next 3 months. I'm going to be actively following the process, and you're good to go. Now, once you engage with that, the next thing you want to do is don't start trading live if you've not journaled your trading. As you are trading a demo account, you keep record of the trades you are picking. Okay, for me to enter Euro USD, I saw ABC condition. And each time I enter ABC condition, I am 60% or 70% right. That is a trading journal. So once you have that and you implement that, then you are good. But you just jump in You've not even finished watching the videos. You have funded your trading account because you just finished watching, a profitable YouTube video, and you now change it, guys. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Give yourself the time to understand what you're going into so that you can be here for long. Now, some people fund their account with $2,000. They don't have a demo account experience. They don't have a journal, a journal or a documentation on their strategy. All of that they don't have, and they want to multiply $2,000. Guys, it doesn't work that way. Yes, we know that Forex is one of the most amazing vehicle, and cryptocurrency is one of the amazing vehicle to multiply your money. But you can also lose the money if you don't follow all this process to get to where you're going. See, guys, I've seen people who jump up. When you jump up, you come down. When you grow up, you stay up. Give yourself time. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Follow through the process. Don't jump from one strategy to another. Stick to one approach of trading. Keep records, then begin to scale up. Now, once you get that done, then you fund the account. You fund the account with $200, $500, $8,000 maximum. I see people who just finished learning and they are funding with 10,000 US dollars, 5,000 US dollars. Guys, you don't start big to grow big. You start small to grow big, then you grow it. So in my community right now, we have people who started with $35. Yes, they pay $1,000 to join the community. They pay huge money to join the community. But I tell them, put your $1,000 in your account, put in $100 and trade with that. When you trade with that, you will use that to multiply your money and you're good to go. So if you can grow $50, if you can grow $100, if you can go $200, then you can grow $1,000. See, guys, what it takes you to make $1 is also the same thing that takes you to make $1 million. So when you follow this precept, I can tell you that you're going to be doing a lot. And the last but not the least is that you need to apply risk management. See, that is how you give yourself risk management. Oh, I've funded my account with $1,000 and I'm risking just 2% of my account. Every single month, my goal is 30%. And this is my account. And I'm going to be following this rule. And if I'm wrong 2 times, maybe I just stop trading for that day or for that week. That's it. You need to apply risk management, money management to it so that you can be consistent here. And with this, I can tell you that you can make a living from this. This is how I've been able to grow my brand, grow my personal businesses, and also even grow my family. So I can tell you for free, you can make a lot from it. You can make a lot for put in a plan. Put in a plan. You don't have all of this. You don't have your soft income every month and you want to build everything on Forex. Guys, you are going to be bridging the rules and you could extend your trading. Okay, guys, I'm sure you guys gained some value. Now, what got your attention? Stop this video right now. Go to the comment box. What got your attention? What will you implement? I want to get your feedback right now. And I look forward to getting these responses as soon as possible. Guys, don't forget to follow us on this channel, Owolabi, our home of financial freedom, and a lot of videos we're going to be dropping for you that will help you. Don't forget to click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell. To your success, guys. My name is Owolabi. Peace out. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.